Hi dear students, welcome to you all to this English grammar class. In this class we are going to learn about parts of speech. In any language we use words to write and speak. In English there are different kinds of words. They are known as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the parts of speech. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. You know already. A noun is the name of anything in this world. It may be the name of a person, place, or things. Examples are Jimmy, Sia, apples, people, church, etc. These are the examples for nouns. Nouns are naming words. Then what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a kind of word that is used in place of a noun. Instead of a noun, we can use some other words. They are known as pronoun. Examples are I, you, he, she, it, they, we, me, them. These are some of the examples for pronouns. What is adjective? An adjective is a kind of word that describes a noun. It is a word which describes a noun. Example, I saw a white swan. Here, the noun is swan. The white is describing the swan. I saw a white swan. Swan is a noun. White is describing the swan. So, white is the adjective. Here, white is the adjective. Another example, young boy. Here, the word young is describing the noun. So, here, young is the adjective. Big ball. Big is an adjective here. Many birds. Here, many is the adjective. Then what is a verb? Verb is an action word. The action which we are doing, that is known as verb. Example, Emily is dancing. Here dancing is the verb. What is Emily doing? Emily is dancing. She is dancing. Dancing is the verb here. A verb is a kind of word that tells us what a noun is doing. Mummy baked a cake. Here, what is mummy doing? Mummy is baking. Here, baking is the verb. Next, what is an adverb? An adverb is a part of speech that gives more information about a verb, an adjective, a clause, and sometimes a whole sentence. My father drives carefully. Here, drives is the verb, carefully is the adverb. How does my father drive? He drives carefully. Carefully is the adverb. It is telling more about the action. Sia dances gracefully. Here, gracefully is the adverb. How is Sia dancing? Sia is dancing gracefully. So, gracefully is telling about her action, her verb. So, this is the adverb. Gracefully is the adverb here. Another example, let's go to the doctor tomorrow. Here, go is the verb, tomorrow is the adverb. The next part of speech is preposition. Prepositions are small words that are used to link or show relationship between nouns and pronouns in a sentence. They sat on the bench. Here, on is the preposition. On is the adjective. Sam drove to the club. The train went through the tunnel. Here, through is the preposition. Some of the examples for prepositions are given here. Off, along, across, around, up, within. These are few examples for prepositions. The last one, parts of speech, is conjunction. Conjunctions are the type of words that join two or more words, phrases, or sentences. Omkar likes bananas. Omkar likes apples. How can we join these two sentences? By adding and. Omkar likes bananas and apples. Here and is the conjunction. Let's see another example for conjunction. Bread and milk. Tom and Jerry. Here and is the conjunction. She was very kind, so I gave her a flower. So she was very kind. That is the sentence. I gave her a flower. That is the second sentence. Here we used so to join these two sentences. Here so is the conjunction. I asked for juice, but he gave me milk. Here but is used to connect these two sentences. Here the conjunction is but. Interjection. Interjection are words are usually sudden or spontaneous. They express feeling, not the meaning, and is followed by an exclamation mark. Examples of interjection are wow, hooray, oh, hello, oops, ouch, who. These are some of the examples for interjection. Okay, thank you. കഴിഞ്ഞു